What's up guys, in this video we are going to create this beautiful Wi-Fi clock. This clock can be powered using micro USB cable. So without any further ado, let's get started. This video is sponsored by PCBWay company, which provides high quality PCBs of 2-layer at just $5 for 10 PCBs. For instant quotation, add dimensions, select the quantity and select the number of layers and select the thickness of the PCB. Then hit quote now. So do visit their website, the link is provided in the description of this video. Now before moving to final project, here I have wired all the components on a breadboard. The connection diagram is so simple as we are using the 1602 I2C LCD display. So now I have already uploaded a code on it. Now I am powering it up. So now this clock is connected to my Wi-Fi and the time is real time. So here we have the connection diagram on your screens. So now let's move to the code part. Now first of all, include all these libraries. Then change the SSID and the password for your Wi-Fi. And here I am using 19800, which is for India. That means GMT plus 5 or 30 minutes. Then change the board. I am using ESP32 development board. Then change the port and hit the upload button. And make sure to press the boot button before clicking the upload button, as the process is quite slow of uploading the code, so I have speed up the video. Now after uploading the code, let's move to the 3D model of our project. So I have created this 3D model in Fusion 360. So now here is how our final project will look like. Now after completing this project, I have saved the STL file and let's move to the slicing part. Now here I have imported the STL file in the Prusa slicer and sliced it. After slicing, I have saved this G code to my SD card and send it for 3D printing.
Hours later.
Now here I have already soldered all the wires to save some time. Now here is how our 3D enclosure look like. I have used PLA white filament for 3D printing. We just insert the LCD. Now apply some hot glue on the ESP32 platform. Now close the lid and it's done. Now let's power it up. So thanks for watching guys. I hope you have learned something new as always. If yes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and you can also follow us on Instagram for latest updates related to my channel. And I will see you next time.